This is a misconception about the flamingo species that many people fall into. Flamingos do not feed their young with blood, but rather provide them with a special milk-like substance secreted from a dedicated milk gland. This milk-like substance is called crop milk. It's a unique type of milk produced by certain bird species, including pigeons, flamingos, and some others. Flamingos' crop milk consists of fats, proteins, and antibodies that boost the immune system of the young chicks. This milk is pink in color due to their diet rich in algae and small crustaceans found in saline waters. The food source not only gives flamingos their distinctive pink or orange color, but also imparts a reddish hue to their milk, leading to the misconception that flamingos nurture their young with their own blood.